In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently in just few easy steps. So let's start right here. Open any of the browser and search for studio.youtube.com. Then click on continue to studio. Now zoom in from its bottom left corner and click on this gear icon. Now click on channel. After this swipe it to left. Then click on advanced settings. Now scroll to the bottom. Then click on remove YouTube content. Now if you don't want to delete your channel or lose your playlist, then you can simply hide your channel. For this, click on I want to hide my channel. Now check both boxes and then click on hide my channel. And if you want to permanently delete your channel, then you have to click on I want to permanently delete my content. Now check both boxes, then click on delete my content. Now you have to enter your email address, then click on delete my content, and your YouTube channel will be deleted permanently. That's it. So that's how you can delete YouTube channel permanently in just few easy steps.